It's harvest time in the Alberta prairies. I'm out at my parents' farm. We're picking some potatoes and harvesting their garden. But just past me are the beautiful fields of Alberta, so I'm gonna make a quick and cute little video about it all. Check it out. When people think of traveling to Alberta, they often think of coming either in the winter to experience the white-capped Rocky Mountains, or coming in the summer to experience the blue sparkling lakes of the Rocky Mountains. But coming to Alberta during the fall season can be really amazing because harvest season in Alberta is gorgeous. My mom asked me to come up for a visit this weekend under the guise of, love and let's get together and spend time together. But really it was so she could force me to pick potatoes with her. And we're not just talking a couple hills of potatoes. We're talking 3 rows of like 20 hills of potatoes, and let me show you how many potatoes there have been so far. There's buckets like these big, I don't know, what are they, gallon buckets? Filled with potatoes. Like, look at the size of these potatoes. And there are buckets and buckets and buckets and buckets and buckets. And we've already carried a few buckets back to the house. And there's still all of these potato plants to go. Parker, are those the biggest potatoes you've ever seen?
Yeah.
They're like the size of your head.
Yeah, even both of them are falling.
One hill.
Look at these potatoes. Good Lord. I don't know if I've missed anything or not. Oh. My parents have already harvested all their tomatoes. And let's not forget about the squash. There goes Parker through the cat door. Ta-da! Come back out through it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's what we want.
Meow. Oh, I'm stuck.
It only works one way. We found a really cute fuzzy caterpillar. Hey, buddy. Can you do some crawling? Hi.
Hey, let me see. It's like relaxing.
Oh.
It's your turn to have some lunch, caterpillar. Hey, it's growing on its lunch.
Day 2 of garden harvest at my mom's farm, and we're working on pumpkins and beets today. Here are all the beets. We've already picked countless beets, and there's still so many to go. And these are the beets that I've harvested to take home so far. Just a small mountain of beets. While I've been harvesting here at my mom's farm, my husband has been out at his farm near Calgary, Alberta, helping his brother to farm their section of land. It's a little bit of a different harvest than what I'm doing.
While Daddy worked out in the field, the kids and I played in the barley. Just to capture how truly pretty harvest in Alberta can be, I took my drone out for a little spin. Taking a break from harvest, the kids and I went for a drive to discover old abandoned outbuildings. This one was our favorite. If you enjoyed this fall-themed video, feel free to leave a thumbs up and a family-friendly comment. To those of you new to Down the Rabbit Hole, I'd love for you to click that subscribe button to stay connected to my channel.